Maintain vibrant hair color, a comprehensive guide.
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing some essential tips and techniques to help you keep your hair color looking fresh and vibrant for longer. Hair color maintenance is just as important as the initial dyeing process, so stick around if you want your stunning color to last.
How to wash your hair post-coloring.
First and foremost, it's crucial to wash your hair properly. Wait at least 48 to 72 hours after getting your hair colored before washing it. This allows the color to fully penetrate and settle into your hair strands. Use color-safe shampoos and conditioners. They are designed to gently cleanse your hair without stripping away the color. Additionally, try to limit your hair washing to 2 or 3 times a week, as washing your hair too frequently can cause your color to fade faster.
How can heat impact your hair color?
Heat is another major factor that can affect your hair color. Minimize the use of heat styling tools like straighteners, curling irons, and hair dryers as much as possible. Heat can open up the hair cuticle and let the color fade away. When you do use these tools, apply a heat protectant to safeguard your color.
What's the role of sun exposure and swimming?
Sun exposure can also cause your hair color to fade. When you're outside on a sunny day, wear a hat or use hair products that contain UV protection. Moreover, if you're a swimmer, try to avoid chlorine as much as possible. Chlorine can strip away the color from your hair. It's a good practice to rinse your hair with clean water before and after you dive into a pool.
How important is hydration for colored hair?
Keeping your hair hydrated is key to maintaining its color. Deep condition your hair regularly to replenish its moisture. Consider using hair masks or oils that are safe for color-treated hair. That's it for today's discussion on maintaining your vibrant hair color. By following these tips, you'll not only extend the life of your color but also keep your hair healthy and shiny. Don't forget that the right care and attention can make a significant difference. We hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.